Oh my gosh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Vlogmas Day 9. You read the title correctly. I bought a house at 17.
Crackling wood all season, decorating alone this Christmas once again, making amends and tying loose.
You're probably like, what the heck is going on? And I will clear everything up. I can't believe I'm finally saying this. I feel like this has been a secret for the longest time. There is some crazy, amazing things happening in my life currently that I just am so grateful for and I can't believe is taking place. So, goodness, how do I even start? I made a list to write some things down. I guess I will just start with the very obvious thing, and that is I am not going to be going to college in Texas next year. So I'm currently a senior in high school and I live in Texas. However, I am not going to be staying here like a lot of my classmates and peers. Instead, I'm going to be going to Boise, Idaho for college. Idaho is very far from Texas, but I have fallen in love with the state. I've fallen in love with the campus, and it was kind of a God moment because I didn't really know anybody there, and then out of the blue, my godparents who lived in California were like, hey, we're moving to Boise, and so I have them, and I just think God kind of worked all of this out together. Basically, next year I will be in Idaho. So my choices were I could live on campus or I could live off campus, and if I didn't have a YouTube channel and I wasn't doing social media, I would most definitely live on campus in a dorm like every other college student. That is something that is really special. There's a part of me that's really sad that I'm not going to be living on campus just because I feel like that gives you even more of the college experience, and that's just something that I really want. However, with what I do, it's going to be very difficult to make content and also film the things that I want to film, and I don't want to like pressure other people to have to hear me film and stuff, and overall my options would just be very limited. That is why I decided to look around and find a place. As of August 2021, I purchased a house. So the house that I purchased, I'm actually building from ground up. It's been quite a process. I finalized in August. So crazy. I can't even wrap my head around it. When Maddie and I went to Boise this past October, we took a little trip up there. That was to go look at the house, and I will insert some photos on the screen. It was so surreal. I remember we walked in and she was like, why aren't you like so excited? And I was very excited, but it definitely was a lot to take in. I recognize how privileged I am to do what I do, but also to buy a car at 16, which is like my dream car, and then to also purchase and build a home at 17. So none of this would be possible without you guys, first off, and none of it would be possible without God, my family, and my very close friends. It kind of hit me whenever I walked into the house and realized that this is going to be mine. And it just was so surreal. Like I couldn't even believe it. So I was a little speechless at first, but then I was really excited, and we kept going back to the house and stuff throughout the whole trip. So we've already bought so many things for the house, and I can't wait to do so many moving vlogs and house tours. Like, it's going to be so crazy, you guys. Holy cow. I'm not gonna say much more about like the inside of it or things like that because that's gonna be for the future. I still need to finish high school. I still need to graduate. Because I am building it and somebody has not previously lived in it, I would go to Starbucks and go on Zoom meetings during my off periods and like meet with the interior designer, and we like did a walkthrough and like picked out the stuff for the house. Yeah, it's been really fun, and my parents have been a part of everything. So even though they're not going to be living with me, I still want their opinion on everything. I will always go to my parents because they know. They've built a house, they know what's best for me, and they know me so well that I just can't imagine completely doing this on my own. So thankfully, with the help of my parents, they've been there to guide me, but ultimately, like, this has just been a huge purchase that I never thought I would be making at 17, especially in a state that I don't even live in. So I'm a little bit nervous about that. I think it'll be okay. And my parents, I already know that they're gonna be visiting me all the time. I'm gonna be graduating in May of 2022 this year, or this upcoming year. And ultimately what that is gonna look like is I think I'm gonna leave pretty early to go to Idaho. I don't think I'm gonna spend the summer in Texas, which is gonna be really sad because it's gonna be my last summer here. I want to spend it with my friends, but I already know that Maddie and Lexi are going to be coming up to visit me. I cannot wait. It's gonna be so much fun. But I do want to get moved in and settled before I start the school year in August, so I think I will probably leave right after I graduate. We already have this whole plan out with Miss Rhonda's family, which is my family friends that we're like extremely close to. We have dinner with them like every single night. Miss Rhonda, Cassidy, my mom and I, we're gonna fly to Idaho and take some stuff with us. This is the move-in day plan. And then my dad and Uva, which is Miss Rhonda's husband, they are going to drive my car and have a little boys road trip, which literally sounds so fun for them. I personally do not want to do that, but I'm glad that they're gonna have that time, and it's just gonna be so fun. I mean, it's gonna be chaotic too, obviously, because all of us are going to be going to Idaho and helping me move in and stuff. I'm just really glad that I have them in my life because they're just so supportive of everything. I'm just feeling really, really blessed and thankful. If you have worked hard for something or your family has worked hard for something, you should never feel ashamed or make yourself feel small for something that you've earned. And that's something that I've had to learn this past year, because when I first bought this car, a lot of people from my old school and a lot of people who were really close to me said a lot of really mean and nasty things. And from the outside, social media or influencers, it can seem like they have the easiest job in the world. All they do is post. Let me tell you, there is so much more to it. It is literally a full-time job because I can't imagine doing anything besides what I do. But there is so much emotional baggage and growing up that is forced upon you at such a young age and at a rapid rate. It definitely is so much harder than people give it credit for. At the end of the day, I'm so thankful for all of you guys. I'm really excited for this series. It's gonna be a whole moving series on my channel. I just want to take you guys along with me and make the best content that I can for you guys. And I'm gonna give a little bit of life updates. There has been quite a lot that's been going on. Catherine is going to be coming home. I haven't seen her. I feel like I literally haven't seen her all year. Like, it's been so sad. She has a boyfriend now, so oh, I don't even know if I can say that. I think it'll be okay. She has a boyfriend now, and we both got boyfriends at the same time, so it's kind of like we don't really see each other as much, and she's gonna be visiting him and stuff. So I'm kind of sad because I miss her, obviously, and she didn't even come home for Thanksgiving. She went to Canada because we have family members up there, but she's coming home for Christmas, and she's coming home on the 11th of December. So in 2 days, she's gonna be coming home. I'm so excited. I literally miss her so much. And Catherine, if you're watching this, do not get big-headed. She's always like, oh, you miss me. But yeah, I do miss her. It's kind of lonely, you know. I like being an only child at my house, but it's very, very lonely. I do miss the bickering, believe it or not. I'm trying to think what else. Oh, also, I've been debating whether or not I should say this, but I just think it's literally so funny. So I actually worked at Starbucks and I applied, I got the job, I had the apron, I went to work, made drinks, everything. I realized I took on a lot more than I could handle, and it was really fun though. Like, I'm not gonna lie, making drinks is really fun, and the people that I worked with were very, very kind and taught me a lot of things. Yeah, I don't work there anymore, but I do know how to make drinks, so if you ever need a barista, just let me know. It was a good experience. I just took on a lot more than I could handle. It was before I was dating my boyfriend and before I realized that Vlogmas was gonna come, and so I was like, oh my god, there's no way. Like, I can't. I would say, taking away from that, my favorite part is the drive-thrus. I literally loved saying hi to people, especially when they would like bring their dogs and stuff. I loved it. It was so much fun. I don't know if any other YouTuber nowadays has done that, like, as a waitress or barista or anything. I just feel like I don't really see that like commonly, and I obviously wanted to make content and working at Starbucks and stuff, but I realized I should definitely keep that separate, so I never filmed anything about it. Yeah, it was an experience, and I feel like if I didn't do YouTube, I would really want to work at Starbucks or be a waitress. It's just a lot being a senior in high school and then doing YouTube full-time. Good experience. It definitely makes you appreciate all of the work that goes into being a waitress or a barista. Like, people get very mad when your drinks are not made right. That is what I learned. What else? Yeah, I can't believe it's almost 2022 and it's literally December. Like, nothing makes sense. It's just going by so fast. I'm really gonna miss my parents though. I don't think I'm ready for that. I keep telling my dad, I'm like, please, 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 can you get a job and like move to Idaho with me? And same with my mom, because I feel like as much as I'm gonna miss them, I'm gonna miss my dogs so much. I literally love them to the moon and back. It's gonna be really hard leaving Leo and Lacey. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. That is it for today's video. I'm so thankful you guys are here. I hope you guys have been enjoying the Vlogmas series. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, don't do anything. I love you guys so much. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao!
All single season, 'cause who needs a tradition? Moving back with